See the next passage. That day in 1812, Faraday was spellbound by Davy's lecture. It is time of 1812. Hmm? You know that Faraday was spellbound. What is the meaning of spellbound? Means to fascinate, to attract towards something. He had spellbound towards where? Davy's lecture. See, he kept taking notes about the mysterious. It is a meaning of this word is a good, mysterious, good. Mysterious force of electric fluid. Fluid means liquid. Means he was a spellbound to Davy's lecture, And in his mind there is a mystery about the electricity. Means how the electricity is passing through. He was so engrossed in the lecture that he forgot to applaud with the rest of the crowd. Now he is in the royal institutions and he was listening Davy's lecture demonstration, and he totally forget that there around him there are some people because he was engrossed. Engrossed means to forget everything, to fascinate something towards something, listening very carefully. In the lecture that forgot to applaud with the rest of the crowd. Rest of the crowd means remaining crowd, public. Rest of crowd, public. When he went back, his notes were so comprehensive that he bound them into a book. By the lecture of Davies, he made one book. What he did? He made one book. Meaning to give to Davies someday. Why he made the book? He want to give that book to Davy, his role model, as a gift. Faraday decided that day didn't just want to sell the books, he wanted to be a great scientist. Good enough to write his own books, Davies became his role model. Faraday wanted to become a scientist and his role model was Davy. His role model was who? Davy. Everyone in their life, if there is a role model, their life must be reached to their goal. But there was a problem, he did not have a social status. Social status means status in society, special economic status he didn't have because he being a poor. Money or the education to pursue science. In any society, we get the status by two ways. Which that two ways? One is by economically, by money, and another is by education. But by the education which status we got, that is forever. Faraday had talented. Faraday thought that it would be wonderful if Davy became his mentor, teacher, guider. But Davy did not agree initially. Initially, at the end of the word there is double ly, so it is an adverb. Faraday was not rejected, he just kept trying. He wanted to become the student of Davies. He was trying, but he didn't get the response from the Davies. He was denying. Do you remember the story of our India? Mahabharata, Eklavya. He wanted to become the student of Dronacharya, but he was denying. Likewise, same situation happening in that period. Next passage, see destiny. Destiny means luck. Destiny had a strange plan in store for him. We do the attempt, we do the hard work, we must have to do it, but if the destiny supported to us, that time we will get the success. A few years later, a chemical explosion. Do you know the meaning of explosion? To burst happened inside Davy's lab. There was a burst in Davy's lab. So he now needed an assistant with an excellent memory to help him. He want to repair that Davy want to repair his lab, so he want to excellent talented assistant. He was reminded of Faraday. Now he was reminded Faraday. No doubt he know that Faraday was a talented boy. Faraday could not do anything in the fields of science going by social status and education. Therefore, dismissed Faraday's aspirations and advised him to stick book binding. But Faraday was relentless. He worked day and night and learned as much as he could about Davy's experiment. Soon Faraday became inseparable to Davy and was promoted to a lab assistant. This was his first step towards the scientific career. He was doing the hard work to become a science assistant, and at last he got the success. He became the assistant, lab assistant. He became the what? Lab assistant. This was the first step towards which was the first step towards the scientific career as a lab assistant. Though much of his job now was cleaning labs, at least he got to see the Davy's leading experiment. Even the Davy did not have much hope for the Faraday. The Faraday got another chance to prove him. Now the Faraday got the chance to prove him. Isn't Faraday prove himself? Let's see in next period.